Hey friends, greeting from Test and Review. Today I have something truly innovative and exciting for you. A first look at the Koushicare 40Hz Gamma Light Therapy BrainBand. First of all, huge thanks to the Koushicare for sending me their brand new product to review. This is not just a gadget, trust me, it's a game changer in wellness and cognitive health. This product will help you to do so. So let's dive into unboxing, explore its functions and discuss how it works. So this product is pretty straightforward. Yeah, so here is a little card, so quick start menu. Yeah, so there is a little user and the band itself, and there have also the carrying bag, I think one USB-C charging cable. And this cable, the very good thing is they gave a little tie, and this cable they have USB-A and USB-C. They have a converter as well, you can see. So this product is really lightweight and super stylish, and you can see here there is a USB-C charging port. Their design is like a sleek design. The material feels like a premium with soft lining on the inside for comfortable during long session. It's adjustable. There have a adjustable belt, you can see, so it can fit anyone's head. How does the BrainBand work? So the standout feature here is it's a 40Hz Gamma Light Therapy. Research suggests that exposure to the 40Hz light may help stimulate gamma brainwaves, which are associated with better cognitive performance, memory retention, and even preventive effects against Alzheimer disease. Yep. So it's also said to help with things like mood regulation and sleep quality improvement. So if you are looking for the way to improve your cognitive health, this product be worth to check it out. Honestly, it's an interesting experience. I have found myself feeling more focused during the day, and the best part is it only takes 15 minutes to refreshing, to working out. So when you press in the middle, so you can see here, you can, yeah, it's very simple. You have to press it down and wait 15 minutes, and yeah, and it will it's like there have maybe a fan. Sometimes you will feel like little tingling. Yeah, so, and yeah, I mean, and sometimes it create a little vibration. So yeah, so this vibration is a little bit strange, but yeah, so you have to wait 15 minutes, then it will automatically switch off, and it will give you the feeling more refreshment. So let's talk about the science behind this. Our brain naturally produces gamma waves, which are essentially for memory, learning, and overall cognition. But as we age, these brain waves can weaken. That's where this Koushicare brand comes in. It also encourages to reduce stress and promoting relaxation, which helps lower cortisol level. And finally, it helps improve sleep quality by supporting our natural circadian rhythm, promoting deeper and more useful sleep. Clinical studies have shown that gamma light therapy can significantly improve cognitive performance and mental well-being. It's like a gym for your brain. So my final thought of this product is it's easy to use, yeah, easy to carry if you go somewhere, I mean in your travel way, and it's the vibration feels like little tingling, yeah. And when I wear this band, yeah, so it's fine, yeah. I would say it's not so heavy, it's good. And this strip is more flexible and very soft. You can see that I am moving around in my hand, so the finishing, the texture, yeah, this is very comfortable, yeah. So I found this is lightweight and easy carrying and very helpful for the brain. So yeah, I recommend to test this product to you as well. If you are curious about the Koushicare BrainBand as I am, I have got a special treat for you. Use the link in the description below to learn more or purchase your own brand. Plus don't forget to use the exclusive coupon code for the discount. I will share the coupon code also in the description below just for my viewers. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Actually it helps me to improvise and to motivate to making more videos. And thanks for watching, and we will see us with the next product and next video. Have fun. Bye bye.